Getting monetized quickly on YouTube requires a combination of factors, including creating high-quality content, building a loyal. Here are some tips to help you get monetized faster. 1. Create engaging content. Focus on creating content that is unique, entertaining, and valuable to your target audience. Identify your niche and produce videos that stand out from the crowd. 2. Upload consistently. Regularly upload new content to your channel to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key to building a loyal fan base and attracting new viewers. 3. Optimize your videos. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's visibility in YouTube. This can help attract more viewers to your channel and increase your watch time. 4. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other online platforms to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content and attract new subscribers. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your viewers to build a sense of community around you. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos to increase engagement and boost your channel's visibility. 6. Meet the eligibility requirements. 2. Monetize your channel. You need to meet YouTube's partner program eligibility. For 1,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, focus on growing your subscriber count and increasing your watch time to meet these requirements faster. 7. Follow YouTube's monetization policies. Make sure your content complies with YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser. Avoid using copyrighted material without permission and refrain from posting content that violates YouTube's policies. 8. Apply for monetization. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply for monetization through the YouTube partner. YouTube will review your channel to ensure it meets all the necessary criteria before approving your application. 9. Stay patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, so stay patient and keep working. Continue to create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and promote your channel to attract more subscribers and increase your. By following these tips and staying committed to creating great content, you can increase your chances of getting monetized faster on YouTube. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving your channel to achieve long-term success as a YouTuber.